Hello, sir. I'm the manager of this hotel. So, sir, this is our card, and you can access the hotspot and Wi-Fi through this password. And, sir, if you need any room service, just contact this number. Do you need anything right now, sir?
Nah, everything is fine. Thank you. Can you bring some wine? 2 glasses.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Hi.
Was it hard to find the place?
Thanks to Google.
You drink? I ordered some wine.
Yeah, okay. What?
It's just, you're really beautiful.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
So, what do you want to know?
Everything.
Everything? I don't know if I'm ready to tell you everything. You might not like me after that.
Yeah, okay. Let's do that.
Okay, wait. Is this a real here? So, tell me about Africa.
Well, almost everything you've heard about Africa, it's not true. But it's like Asia. We have 54 countries. So, but instead, I can tell you about my own country.
Cheers. Malawi, right?
Yeah. So, like, it's not the hottest place like people think it is.
Really? You know Hindi?
Tora, samasta ho.
Alok, what are you doing here? And how did you find me over here?
वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हो?
तुम्हें इससे क्या लेना देना? मैं क्या तुम्हारी कैदी हूँ? क्या अब मुझे सब कुछ तुमसे पूछ के करना पड़ेगा? मेरी खुद की लाइफ है, मुझे जीने दो और तुम अपनी जियो.
ए, चुप कर. पिताजी बोल रहा था तुम अजीब हरकतें कर रही हो
और उन्होंने इसीलिए तुम पे नजर रखने के लिए कहा और तुम ये सब कर रही हो. Does he know that I already fiancé for you?
You have a fiancé?
And you? So you came all the way to my country to play with my sister.
Do you think you'll get lucky, get her in your bed, then dump her when you're done? That's what you people do, isn't it? I just kill you right now.
Okay, whoa, cool down, okay? I don't want any trouble. Everything you just said is not my intention, okay? Why can't you just let her be with whoever she wants to be with?
Shut up! This is not Africa.
Is everything fine here?
Yeah, everything is fine.
I heard some yelling and shouting.
Everything is fine.
Your friends?
Yeah, they're my friends.
Keep it low, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Please, come soon, please. Okay. Okay, thank you. So what are you going to do? You're gonna shoot him? Right here?
It's not about him, it's about you.
I am sick of this. I should decide what I do with my life.
अबे चुप कर. आज इसको सबक सिखाना ही पड़ेगा. I think I will not see you again.
Wait,
क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? क्या हो रहा है? मुझे किसी ने कॉल किया था यहाँ से?
सर मैंने कॉल किया था.
see, officer, the thing.
तुम चुप रहो, बैठो. ड्रग्स कहाँ है?
Drugs?
मुझे अच्छी तरह से पता है. तुम नाइजीरियन लोग यहाँ सिर्फ ड्रग्स के बिजनेस करने के लिए आते हो.
Sir, see, I know a lot of Nigerians and none of them even sells drugs. And I'm not a drug dealer and I'm from Malawi. I'm not from Nigeria.
तुम सब एक जैसे हो. बैग चेक करो. क्या है? ओह, स्टूडेंट. तुम्हारा काउंट्री में क्या यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है पढ़ने के लिए? तो तुम आज अपने सामान के साथ नहीं आए हो.
सर, प्लीज आइए.
Stop! No! Stop! Stop it!
What's going on here? Oh no! Would you guys do this to him if he was an Indian? You guys did this only because he has a darker skin than yours? Does he not have a heart like us? Doesn't he feel pain? Is he not a human being? This is ridiculous. Okay, him aside. Think about this girl. इन पर क्या बीत रही है? She have all the rights to go to date whoever she wants to. She has all the rights to go wherever she wants to. But you guys will never change your mindset. Oh, and you officers, I know for sure if this was your neighbor, you'd do the same for some extra cash in pocket and buy whiskey tonight.
ए, मैं यहाँ इन सब बकवास बातों के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. यहाँ कोई गैर कानूनी काम ना हो इसलिए आया हूँ.
तो आप और ये लोग मिलकर जो कर रहे हैं क्या वो सही है?
ए, मेरा पास ये सब फालतू बातों के लिए टाइम नहीं है. चलो.
और सुनिए, you both please leave.
है ना? चल यहाँ से.
Sir, are you okay? Do you need any medical attention? So if you need any help, please call me, huh? Okay. Take care.